Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove text from your videos without the blur, like without blurring it, I guess. So it is a little bit easier if the background is plain like mine, but if you got it from another frame you can definitely do that. So here for instance I have this purple part of the video. I'll just go to video, I'll just select mask and select rectangle and get a piece of that. Go back to basic and place it on top. Go back to mask and you're going to want to make sure you kind of feather it out so it doesn't look like you put it on. But again, it is a little bit easier if your background is like that. Maybe your background's like this. It is a little bit trickier to do. I'll just give you an example real quick here. Maybe I place it there, but the text is only this duration, for instance. So you're going to go to another frame here, and you're going to freeze frame that bit, place it on top of the text, go to mask. Where is that text? There we go. And place it over. It's not going to be super perfect, but you're just going to feather it out there. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!